Hi friends, welcome to the third part of analysis of history and political science paper. In the first two parts, I've analyzed history section and I wanted to keep the video short, so I have taken political science in this video. As we have seen before in history, we are going to see the same stuff in political science, that how in your board paper the questions are directly from the exercises and you need not have to do any other stuff other than your textbook and exercises, not even even the questions which are given in your digest or something. And I have given question number, page number and chapter number from which this question is taken, so you will have no problem in searching the questions and you can read the entire chapter for the questions, but exercises are must. You have to do exercises. So let's begin. Now the first question, political science, starts from question 6A in your board paper. As you know, I have taken a question paper of year 2019-2020. So here question 6A is, choose the correct option from the given options and complete the sentence. In Maharashtra, dash seats are reserved for women in local self-governing institutions. The options are 25%, 30%, 40%, and 50%. This question is from the first chapter of political science, which is working of the constitution. And the question is first question, like you need not have to even look for it. It is the very first question in the political science. It is given on page number 74. I'll request you to take out your textbook and mark these questions, because when you will be again revising, you might read it twice so that you remember it. And as it is record of Maharashtra board or any board, that previous year questions are really important and they are repeated year after year. So there is a possibility you will get the same question in your board exam. Answer here is 50%, but that is not our point. The question is from which chapter, and particularly from the exercise. That I want to prove to you people. The next question, 6B, the same. You have to choose the correct option. In a democracy, dash participate in elections and get political power. So the answer here is political parties. But this is also the first choose the correct option from the chapter challenges faced by Indian democracy. It is given on page number 19. Right away from the exercise, cut, copy and pasted in your board exam paper. So now you know that board exams are really easy, and even if you do only exercises, you can score really good marks. And history and political science is a subject in which you have to score full marks because it is really easy to score. Moving on to the next question. Question 7, attempt any two. Now here three questions are given and you have to attempt any two. I'll tell you all the three and from which chapter they are, so that it's not the point that how many you have to attempt. You have to know everything. You cannot put anything to option. So this question is from chapter 2, electoral process, and directly from the exercise question 2.3. It is on page number 81. I again remind you people to mark it in your textbook so that you will remember it while revising once again, that this question came in board and this might come in our board exam again. Question 7B, true or false with reasons. Movements do not need a strong leadership. It is from page number 96. Question 4.2, directly taken, cut, copy, pasted from your exercise. Chapter 4, social and political movements. Even if you don't read your chapters properly and solve the exercise correctly in the given pattern, board accepted pattern, then you also need to read chapters also. You can directly read exercise and write paper. You will score full marks, because you can see here it is from exercise questions directly. Question number 4.2 and chapter 4, social and political movements. This is also directly from exercise on page number 90, chapter 3, political parties. Complete the concept map. You have to complete the concept map very properly. Now this is the only question I found that it was not in your exercises chapter, and it is from chapter 1, working of the constitution, on page number 73. I found its solution directly. And don't worry that many questions will be given like this in between the chapters, because it also has an option. It is just a plus point if you did this. And the next question is directly from the exercise of the electoral process, question number 4 on page number 81. So even if you never knew answer of this question, you would have known this if you have done the exercise. The board exam setter worked this way that even if there is some question which is not given in exercise, there is an option for that which is given in exercise. Doing exercises is must. Question 8b, attempt any one. This question is from page number 74, question number 3.1, directly from the exercise from chapter 1, working of the constitution. Moving on to question 8b, explain the concept corruption. It is from chapter 5, page number 99, question number 3.2. Challenges faced by Indian democracy. So now you know that the questions are from the exercise and you can easily get their solutions. Attempt any one, 2 marks question. Explain the activities, role, function of environmental movement. It is also from the chapter 4, social and political movements, question 3.1, page number 96. What changes have taken place in nature of political parties in India? Chapter 3, political parties. It is also from exercise question 4.2, page number 90. So each and every, from this 5 chapter only you have been given questions, and because there are only 5 chapters and it is equally distributed, though I think that first chapter is given 5 marks weightage, and the 5th chapter is given only 2 marks weightage, while other chapters have 4 marks weightage. So I'll give that distribution in another upcoming video, that how your marks are distributed, not from a guide or something. The papers which I have analyzed show that distribution is of that type, because you'll find distribution in various guides or books or something, but it might be not always accurate. What we get from analyzing board paper and analyzing stuff, that is what matters. And why I'm telling this to you, because guides have various in-textbook questions or extra questions or questions you should know, and you are just simply wasting your time doing those, because those are never asked in your board exams. The questions which are asked are particularly from the exercises in the textbook. When you use guides, they just waste your time. And they might be telling you that fill in the blanks are asked from in between the chapters. You should know word and word, line and line by chapter. But that is not really the case. Most important thing is exercise. Nothing else is more important, and that should be your first priority. Moving on to the next question. Oh, so the paper is finished here, and we have ended our discussion also. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. More videos coming upon this very soon. Stay tuned. Your subscription and likes really motivate me in doing more stuff. So please like.